Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So yesterday I make a video about the Oppo upcoming Reno 4. In this video we're talking about the both devices, Oppo Reno 4 and Reno 4 Pro. Specs and some image teaser appear here. One of the first solid evidence that the Oppo Reno 4 5G and Oppo Reno 4 Pro 5G in the work leaked yesterday. I make video also, you can check it out that video on my channel. But aside from a couple of future and official Oppo posture, nothing else was disclosed. Luckily today leaks is a big enough to give us a good idea of what to expect, not only from the non-Pro model but from the Pro, the Oppo Reno 4 Pro 5G version as well, and that the seemingly official render are quite revealing too. Starting with the elegant specs of the Pro, as you can see, this is the specs image sheet. We have Snapdragon 765G chipset running the show paired with either 8GB and 128GB or 12GB with 256GB of memory. The display is 6.55-inch big and it's curved to the sides. The module on the back consists of the 48-megapixel main camera with OIS 12-megapixel dedicated shooter for low light video and a 13-megapixel telephoto lens with no specific provided. The front camera is 32-megapixel. The battery should be 4000 mAh for both variant, the Oppo Reno 4 and the Oppo Reno 4 Pro version, with a support for 65-watt fast charging. The non-Pro alternative is roughly the same but misses on the OIS for the main camera and 8-megapixel ultra wide on replace the dedicated video unit, and the telephoto is swiped from 2-megapixel deep sensor on the front, however, in addition to the 32-megapixel main sensor. There is also 2-megapixel, one likely used for a deep information. The screen itself is slightly smaller at 6.43-inch, and judging by the specs sheet, this one is going to be flat. On the memory front, the 8GB plus 128GB option is still at hand, but the one with the 256GB of internal storage come with also 8GB of RAM. The leaked images and the teaser video, as you can see on your screen, shared by Oppo, seems to be depicting the same Reno 4 Pro. Single punch hole camera on the front, curved display, triple camera Iceland in the upper left corner of the back, no 3.5mm audio jack at the bottom, and the mystery's fourth sensor on the back, which we saw yesterday, appears to be laser focus as well. So guys, let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this upcoming Reno 4 series with the two smartphone Reno 4 and the Reno 4 Pro? Let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.